Before I begin the videos, I want to show the result of this video. You can see I post this post, I'm promoting CPS offers, and one person already comment me, so I'm going to send them this CPS offers affiliate link. So I'm going to go there, I'm going to hover over this icon, I'm going to send him a message, click and sign up and earn money. Then I'm going to paste the link and I'm going to send them. And when they click the link, they sign up, I make CPA commission. I make $1.51, guys. So watch the video until the end to understand this method fully, guys. How to do CPA marketing without a website or landing page. In this video, I'm going to show you can use a free traffic to earn money as a complete beginners, and you don't need to have any website or landing page to promote these CPAs offers. Basically, in this method, using this puzzle, simple puzzle like this ones, and you can get paid for that. I'm going to show you the method that you can use this puzzle and to get how you can get paid for that. Before that, subscribe to my channels, press the bell icon. Also, if you like and leave a comment for this video, you can win £10 PayPal money. So watch the video until the end to know how to win £10 PayPal money. So what you have to do first, go to Google and type a simple puzzles, okay, brain cracking puzzles or whatever the puzzle that you can want. So you can see this is the puzzle I want to download. Click open that and it will take you to this website. You can download this bunch of puzzles. After you download that, here one of them is enough. Then what you have to do, go to CPA Lead and sign up for your free account. You can apply this method for CPA Lead, Max Bounty, Ad Network, whatever the CPS of affiliate network, that you can apply the same method. CPA Lead is one of the easier one to get approved. You don't have to do an interview, just sign in with your social media account and it will automatically account created for you. After that, you can select a different offers for, and each of them pay you different amount. They pay you 20 cents, 44, 48, and if you come down to the bottom, some of them pay you $1.60. So what you have to do is, CPA basically means cost per action. So when you promote these offers and the people click and put their email address, you get paid for that. So they want to collect the lead and you get paid for that. So all you have to do is promote these offers. They don't have to buy anything. They put the email address and you get paid for that. So in this video, I'm going to go with this of affiliate net offers. I'm going to pay you $1.51. It's about Window Research, a survey site that's only available in USA. So I'm going to promote these offers, and when they sign up for when they put the email address and sign up for the account, I'm going to make $1.51. Now if you promote these offers, I'm going to show you the website where you're going to get 100% organic traffic. But if you promote these offers and people from outside the USA, for example, if in Australia or New Zealand, they click the link and different offers pop up for them and they sign up for the offer, you can still get paid but different amount. So CPA Lead will track everything, so don't worry about that. So you promote these offers outside, people from outside the USA click and sign up, and they will sign up for different offers, and you're gonna get paid. You're still gonna get paid for that, but different amount, not this amount exactly. So you don't have to worry about that. After that, what you're gonna do is you need to find offers that you want to promote. So basically what you have to do, go to type, you're gonna type a simple sentence. For example, if you want to make money online, $100 per day, solve the puzzle and leave the answer in the comment. I will message you back. So this is a puzzle. So we are not going to post the entire affiliate link in this website because your answer will be blocked, because we are going to use Facebook to generate free organic traffic. So on the search bar, you're going to type make money online or free giveaway, free gift card, whatever, and you open a couple of group and you're going to click join the group, and they will review your account and they will approve your account within a couple of minutes. After that, you can allow to post. For example, here this is the one I am approved a couple of minutes ago. So what I'm going to do is, in that section, I'm going to type in a post. I'm going to copy that and paste the sentence. I'm going to add this puzzle I already downloaded earlier. This is the puzzle. So what they're going to do, they're going to see the puzzle and they can answer. So when they answer that, and you're going to message them back. because why we do this one is like to get more engagement rather than straight away go to the first section and go and sign up. You can make money. The admin will block your post and they will kick you out of the group for if you spam them with them. So you're gonna say, okay, if you want to make money online, solve the puzzle, leave me the answer, and what you're gonna do. This is the one of the post. You can see if you go to any of the posts, this is the people are commenting for this post. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna hover over the icon and you're gonna see this message bar, and you're gonna message them back, hi, and you answer my puzzle. Okay, if you want to make $100 per day, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to click CPA lead, and you're gonna get this, copy this code, and you're gonna select here, go back to the message bar, gonna say thank you for answering correctly, and click the link to make money, and you're gonna copy and paste your affiliate link there. So whenever they click and sign up for that, you get paid for that, guys. Simple as it is. So if you want to make money with a CPA lead or CPA marketing, without any website, without any landing page, without any money to run advertisement, this is the one of the best method. Promote as many as offers that you can. So you can see, you can join with the group that talking about VPN or computer program. Then you can say you can get your Norton secure VPN, something like that. Or if you come down to bottom, that you can see you can promote this gift card, guys. And if you can come down to the bottom here, iPhone 12, so you can promote people are interested in tech, or people are interested in iPhone. You can join their group and say you can win iPhone 12 Pro, and then you can post this affiliate link. They will sign up and you get paid for that, guys. This is a very simple method. I'm doing it. I'm joined as many as group. I'm promoting make money online CPA affiliate offers, and also I'm promoting gift card affiliate offers. So you can do it worldwide. It doesn't require anything. It doesn't require any skills. All you have to do is promote or find the offers that you want to promote, and join the group and post them regularly. And again, don't spam them with these affiliate links. Post something differently like this one, or you can post you don't have to post puzzles, and you can post anything that you want similar to your offers, and ask them, make them to engaged with your post, and they will comment your post and you can reply them back. Whenever the people start to comment your post, Facebook, they were going to promote this post to loads of other people, so more people come and comment, and you can send them message back with your affiliate offers. They sign up and you make money, guys. I hope you understand. Again, if you watch the video until the end, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon, and leave a comment. I like this video, and when this video get 100 likes, I will do 10 point giveaway, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.